Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the nostalgic world of audio with the Audiocrazy AM/FM radio retro tabletop radio. This charming piece combines classic aesthetics with modern functionality, promising a blend of retro vibes and cutting-edge performance. Let's explore. First off, let's talk about the design. Crafted with a wooden finish, this radio exudes vintage charm, making it a perfect fit for any retro-themed space. The soft and precise rotary vernier tuning knobs not only add to its nostalgic appeal but also ensure effortless tuning for your favorite stations. But don't let its classic look fool you. This radio is packed with modern features. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily stream your favorite tunes from your smartphone or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Plus, the auxiliary input allows you to connect MP3 players or iPods for even more listening options. Now, let's talk about sound. Equipped with a 10-watt full-range speaker and deep bass compensation, this radio delivers rich, immersive audio that fills the room. Whether you're listening to music, catching up on the latest news, or enjoying your favorite talk shows, the sound quality won't disappoint. And here's the best part, it's incredibly easy to use. Simply plug it into the wall for power, and you're good to go. The intuitive tuning knobs make navigating through stations a breeze, perfect for tech-savvy folks and seniors alike. Plus, its compact size makes it ideal for any space, whether it's your home, office, or even your bedside table. So, there you have it, folks. The Audiocrazy AM/FM radio retro tabletop radio combines vintage aesthetics with modern performance, delivering a delightful listening experience for all. If you're looking to add a touch of nostalgia to your audio setup without sacrificing quality, this radio is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy listening.